How's it going, everybody? Quick video for you guys and wanting to discuss the OnePlus 9. As I'm pretty much just trying everything that I can to get OnePlus to give me the token bin file that I need in order to unlock the bootloader. So then that way I can install Evolution X for 11.4 or 11.4.1. Not sure exactly which iteration they have, but I do know it's Android 16 base. This is one way to get Android 16 in a OnePlus 9. But the OnePlus 9 for me just really is just one of those phones that just really captivated me when it first came out. And, I was lucky to find one. Yes, it wasn't brand new when I got it. Still a pretty good and solid phone, and something that, I'm very interested in, doing some update videos, including comparing it to the Pixel 7 here, which, I'm using as my webcam currently right now. But, when it comes to older Android devices, I mean, there are only so many that can actually basically function with outdated software that just doesn't even cross your mind that it's on outdated software. And this is one of those phones that definitely does that. I mean, everything with it, it is a smooth phone, smooth device. I have no problems using it at all whatsoever. And when I am using it, I don't feel like it's lacking anything. Like, this is like probably one of the problems of Google Pixels that I do have, is that while majority of Pixels that I use, especially with the Chapter 2 series, which is the Pixel 6 up to the Pixel 10, yes, for the most part, they feel very similar in, the fluidity and navigations and stuff like that. And this OnePlus 9 kind of emulates that when it comes to it, because I've used other OnePlus devices and you can kind of tell their age, whether they're mid-range or flagship. And with the OnePlus 9, even though it is technically only running Android 14, that's the last software update that it got, it's still pretty smooth for the most part. And everything that I do on it, every app that I run on it, runs just fine. So while I am currently in a back and forth battle with OnePlus USA in order for them to just give me the token bin file that I've provided the information that I have on my phone to them, so that way I can install Evolution X. At the same time too, I'm also kind of sad that I'm going to be pushing it to Evolution X, because I do like the layout of OxygenOS and its user interface. It is really good in my opinion. I have no problems at all whatsoever, and some of the side customizations that OnePlus gives you on this device is just, in my opinion, pretty solid, and I enjoy it, love it. Of course, the cameras in itself, yeah, it's got that, Hasselblad and all that other good stuff or whatever. Not really that big of a deal, but it takes really, really good photos, and that's what mostly counts in my opinion when it comes to this phone, is that the photo quality on it is really good for social media and stuff like that. Like, I can use it for content creating, and it's worked out. I mean, there's several videos I've posted, and some of you guys may have seen those videos if you've been a long-time watcher of my videos on this channel. Then there's quite a bit of them that's been recorded with the OnePlus 9. And yeah, so I mean, I gotta say that, it's pretty decent. The only downside to this phone that I don't like is that it is a fingerprint magnet. I mean, when people talk about fingerprint magnet and I tell them, hey, chill, I mean, yeah, that's the case. But with this definitely, like, man, I am thinking though here for this year 2026, I mean, this is one of the devices I'm going to be going to quite a bit, so I'm probably going to end up getting a skin for it and skin the back of the phone, because this is one of those phones too that I'm very comfortable using without a case, even though the back is glass, and yes, if it gets shattered, it's going to look ugly as hell, but or I can just get a nice case for it, whatever. But I do love the iridescent coloring on the back. It's like bluish, greenish to purple. That's a nice color, nice touch. I like purple, if you guys didn't notice that. Purple is one of my favorite colors. And yeah, so upcoming videos, hopefully, fingers crossed that basically OnePlus just gives me the token bin file that I need in order to unlock the bootloader for this device, and in that way I can flash custom ROMs on it, check out what other custom ROMs are out there for this phone. I mean, this is a really, really good phone. This is just one of those phones that proves my point that you can have something this old, because this came out in what, 2021? You can have something this old and it still works amazing. Like, absolutely amazing. OnePlus 9, definitely. So while everyone else wants to feed me this OnePlus 15 is the best, OnePlus 13 is the best, that's cool. And I'm glad that you guys like those phones and everything like that. But to me, the OnePlus 9 sits right up there with them, in my opinion. If you want to convince me otherwise, feel free to in the comment section of the video. Hit the like button. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Aloha.